Hello friends, today we are going to learn another system of describing fractions which is called decimals. In decimals is a system of numbers in which denominator of all the fractions is 10 or a power of 10. I mean 10, 100, 1000 or figures like this. So fractions in this system look like this. 1 divided by 10, 1 divided by 100, 1 divided by 1000, 1 divided by 10,000, and so on. Or another example, 2 divided by 10, 2 divided by 100, 2 divided by 1000, 2 divided by 10,000, and so on. So you saw a numerator in this system could be any number from 1 to infinite, but denominator must always be 10 or a power of 10. Such fractions can be written in a decimal format by putting a dot on the left to the numerator, and this dot is also called a decimal. Let's see how fractions are described in a decimal system format. We take first example. This is 1 divided by 10, 1/10. So we write it in decimal system as 0.1. What we did is we eliminated the denominator and put a decimal one digit to the left on the numerator. In the next example, you see denominator is 100, 1 divided by 100, and we eliminated denominator by putting a decimal after two digits from right to left. So if you compare these two examples, in the upper one there was only one zero in the denominator and we put dot the decimal after one digit. In this one there were two zeros in the denominator, so we needed two digits in the numerator to put a decimal. We wanted to count 1 and 2 and then put this decimal. Because there was only one digit in the numerator, we put a 0 to make it 2 and then put a dot, a decimal. Take another example. You see in this one, 1 divided by 1000. Now there are three zeros in the denominator, so what we did, there was only one digit in numerator, we put two zeros and put a decimal after that to eliminate the denominator. So there were three zeros in the denominator, we put decimal after three digits from right to left. So 1, 2 and 3 and then decimal. One more example. Now I have changed the numerator, 2 divided by 10. So now you know if we want to eliminate the denominator, we will put decimal after numerator. There is only one zero, so decimal after one digit. In the next example, there are two zeros in the denominator. We put decimal after two digits. It's 0.02. In the third example, it's three zeros in the denominator. So we put decimal after three digits from right to left, 1, 2 and 3. So just to make it three digits in the denominator, in the numerator we put two zeros and then put a decimal. Okay, there is another example, a bit different one. 22 divided by 10. Now we want to eliminate this 10 to write it in decimal format. So in this example, there were two digits in the numerator. We wanted to put decimal after one digit. So we counted from right to left one digit and put decimal in the middle of two. In the next example, there are two zeros. So we put decimal after two digits and eliminated the denominator. So from right to left, 1, 2, and then decimal. In this example, there are three zeros in the denominator. So we will put decimal in the numerator after three digits from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, and then decimal. Okay. So to other topics on this decimal system, like why we use a decimal system and how to convert a fraction into a decimal number, please see our other videos. I hope today's lesson makes some sense. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to keep in touch in future. Thank you for watching.